How to delete templates in CapCut. To delete templates, you have to open the CapCut. Once you are in your home page, you will be seeing projects you just created. Now, in order to delete the templates, go to the templates right here. Tap on templates. Here you can see the templates you have used. For deleting it, tap on this icon right here and tap on clear all. Now, once you tap on clear all, your all templates will be deleted. For deleting the template, simply go to edit and select and tap on this tree icon right here and tap on delete. Tap on move, and just like that, your template will be moved to trash and you got to delete it from your trash again. Just repeat the same process for every template you just created. That's it. Now once it's moved to trash, delete it from the trash as well by selecting it all and delete it. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.